Welcome to my New Year's resolution template in Notion. This template is made up of 5 sections: goals, vision board, tasks and milestones, daily habits tracker, and the resolutions table. Let me show you how easy it is to add a new goal. We click on New Page and choose the saved goal template. We can add an image and fill out the goal with personal information. Enter the name of your goal, choose a category, and optionally write a description. You can set the priority level, the timeline, and the start and end dates. Under the tasks relation, we select the tasks we need to complete in order to reach our goal. You can also immediately edit that task, set a deadline, and link it back to this goal. Optionally, you can link this to your daily habits tracker, but I'll show you that in a moment. Let's go back to our goal and select the tasks under Total Tasks to make sure the progress bar calculates correctly. In the Tasks and Milestones section, you'll see your goal and its tasks. Let's edit 2 of the tasks we added earlier and make sure the goal relation is correct. Now let's move on to the Daily Habit Tracker. We'll add a few daily habits that support our main goal. For example, plan a meal. We then link that habit to the main task it supports. Now you can duplicate this habit across other days by holding the Option key and dragging it to a different day. In the last section, the resolutions table, you can review all your goals in table view to make sure everything is filled out correctly. Let's now tick off some habits and check how the task progress bar updates. As you can see, we forgot to link the habit to the task. Let's go ahead and link them all. Now we can mark the task as done, and if we go back to the goals section, you'll see the updated progress bar for that goal. That's how the New Year's resolution template works. In the vision board section, you can easily change the photo to one that inspires you. In tasks and milestones, you can view tasks by status, goal, or deadline. In the daily habit tracker, you can switch between table and calendar views. And finally, in the resolutions table, you have a complete overview of all your goals in one place. That's it. I hope this template makes achieving your goals a lot easier. The link to the template is in the description. Thanks for watching.